Yes. So, main thing that I liked with the course is like we have been through many Vastu related stuff. So, and there were many contradicting things. So, and we weren't sure which one to go for, which one to give up. But knowing the fundamentals of Vastu will give us our own perspective of it. Like I can say with confidence that, okay, I can do this thing for this specific reason, and this is how it works. Anyone who would want to apply, I feel that instead of just referring to a book, they should know the fundamentals, because they can say with clarity that this is how it works, and this is why we want to do a particular thing. In addition to that, the thing that I liked was correlating the basics and the fundamentals of the energy with the practical approach, and giving remedies in case there are any mismatches. And with this being an interactive class, okay, the kind of doubts that were there within the class and how the remedy has been proposed to each and everything. So it's like getting a one-stop shop where it's not just for me, but I can understand, okay, if something happens in this particular way at a future point in time, I still have my answers and clarifications of how to take care of it. So that is the reason I would say everyone should come, understand the basics, know the remedies, and then know different meditation, homam, and healings that are there, so they can, just like they cleanse themselves with daily bath, they can take care of the house in which they are living, their family stays. So that's I would advise everyone to do this thing for this reason. So this is my take on the class.